Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
record cleaners cleaning supplies.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
The Boundless Audio Record Cleaning Brush is designed to be a simple tool to safely and quickly remove dust and dirt so you can always enjoy pop, click, and hiss-free listening. With 2 rows of premium quality carbon fiber bristles that effectively lift harmful dust and dirt from the vinyl surface, no gel or liquids required. Unlike similar record cleaning brushes which have sharp corners, the rounded corners of the brush body prevent accidental damage to your most precious vinyl. And the self-cleaning handle keeps the bristles free of accumulated dust and dirt. After I started using the Boundless Audio Record Cleaning Brush before every listen of my favorite records, I can say I can hear a significant improvement of sound quality.
I just got this vinyl cleaning kit in the mail. Let's see what's inside and what it's all about. Inside the box is a cleaning fluid, a protector for your record, and a cloth to clean it with. Here we're just going to cover it, spray it, and then give it a good wipe.
Here's something interesting about the VB52. The VB52 Record and Stylus Cleaning Kit extends the life of your records and your stylus by keeping them free of dust and debris. But did you know that both the Record and the Stylus brush are legitimate anti-static brushes that help prevent unwanted static electricity? Well, they are. How does that work? On the Record brush, there's conductivity between the bristles and the handle. Since it's conductive, you can remove the static charge on the record by allowing it to flow through the bristles, to the handle, and then through your body. Same with the Stylus brush.